Next up, we have the Best Design category. Now, this is honoring the visionary Miroverse template creators who harness both creative flair and technical expertise to innovate within the canvas. If you don't already know, Miroverse is a vibrant community gallery of over 5,000 templates made by and for Miro users. And these nominees have set new standards for visual innovation, from creating captivating and user-friendly activities like improv sessions, Pictionary games, to creating practical tools like make working more delightful, like the ever-popular Kanban calendar. Together, they're reflecting what's actually possible in Miro.
The nominees for Best Design are Jonathan White, founder at Hero Studio; Eun-ji Jong, founder at Design Minds Community; Andreas Lindenberg, technical project manager at Misumi Europe; and Saeed Sadouk, coach and facilitator at thefacilitainer.com. And the winner is Saeed Sadouk.
Hey everyone, it's me, Saeed, the Facilitainer. I hope you're enjoying Miro Canvas 24 so far. Big shout out to the Miro Hero community and to all the awesome creators out there. And also a big thanks for everybody who voted for me for the Miro Hall of Fame Awards in the category Best Design. See you all soon. Enjoy the rest of your days and keep creating.
Fantastic work, Saeed. Your contributions consistently set a new bar for design and collaboration in Miro, and leaving the whole community inspired to try something new.